Snap a straight chalk line across your floor to give a precise guide for laying ceramic tile rows. Begin by measuring and marking the center of the room along the two opposite walls to establish a perpendicular grid. Use a square or measure diagonally from corners to confirm the center line is true and mark the center points with a pencil. Stretch the chalk line from one center mark to the opposite center mark and pull it taut, then snap it to leave a crisp surface mark that aligns with your intended tile joints. For multiple reference lines, set a straight edge or spacer against the snapped line and measure tile plus grout width outward, marking each increment and snapping additional lines for full rows. If working with large format tile or narrow grout joints, consider snapping a checkerboard of perpendicular lines to keep alignment across the entire field. Choose a chalk color that contrasts with your substrate so the line remains visible through thinset and removable later with a damp sponge. Common mistakes include snapping the line on an off-center or unverified axis, which shifts the entire layout. Avoid this by remeasuring and checking diagonals before snapping. Another issue is using a chalk color that disappears on dark or dusty surfaces. Solve that by testing colors on scrap or using a marking paint pencil for temporary high contrast. A third problem is allowing the line to sag or not pull taut, which yields a fuzzy or curved mark. Prevent this by maintaining tension on the chalk reel and snapping quickly with a firm flick so the line contacts the floor evenly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors using our searchable listings and project pages that match homeowner needs to service providers. We host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and learn from real projects to make tile layout and contractor selection easier for everyone.